get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Sof savdo internet magazini 10 yillik tajribasidan o'tgan mahsulotlarni sizga tavsiya qiladi. Gijjalarni yo'qotuvchi, katta qorni borlar uchun maxsus ozdiruvchi massajyor apparatlar, osteoxondroz, poliartrit, artrit hamda bo'g'im og'riqlari uchun dorilar, 26 yoshgacha bo'lgan yoshlar uchun bo'y o'stiruvchi dorilar, buyrak, jigar, prostata, oshqozon, qabziyat va barcha turdagi sport ozuqalari, protein, kreatin, geyner hamda aminokislota. Yuqorida keltirilgan kasalliklarga bizda 100% tabiiy va sifatli mahsulotlar mavjud. Moskva hamda Sankt-Peterburg shaharlariga metrogacha 1 soatda yetkazamiz. O'zbekiston ichida 1 kunda yetkazib berish xizmati ham mavjud.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
For the night, first half, fighting out of the right corner to my left, representing Uzbekistan, ERALi Bilov. And his opponent fighting out of the blue corner across the ring, representing Tajikistan, Garcia, ABDUROZIK.
Assalomu alaykum aziz kuzatuvchilar, hamyurtimiz jangi bo'lmoqda. Videoga like bosib, qo'llab-quvvatlab turamiz do'stlar. ERALi Qobilov va ABDUROZIK. Do'stlar, videoga like bosib, qo'llab-quvvatlab qo'yamiz, kommentariyada omad tilab qo'yamiz va kanalimizga obuna bo'lib qo'yinglar do'stlar. Shunaqangi zo'r janglarni o'tkazib yubormaysizlar.
ERALi versus ABDUROZIK, they were making a lot of strides and a lot of commentary back and forth during the press conferences and even the weigh-ins. And it's sure to be fireworks now, as it is our co-main event before we hit the main event. In the red corner, our white-shorted fellow is ERALi, and in the blue corner, ABDUROZIK in the black and gold shorts. Our refs ready to get us started.
Boxers, obey my instruction all the time. I don't want to see and repeat punches. Kidney or below the belt. Touch gloves. Good luck.
Ladies and gentlemen, this battle is 3 rounds of 1.5 minutes each.
Qadrli kuzatuvchilar, videoga like bosib, qo'llab-quvvatlab qo'yamiz. Kichkin to'ylarni jang uchun mazza qilib jangni tomosha qilinglar va kanalimizga obuna bo'linglar. Videoga like bosishni unutmanglar. Mana shu translyatsiyamizni kichkina mehnatimizni qo'llab-quvvatlagan holatda bitta dona like bosib qo'yinglar.
History in the making. ERALi's coming swinging hard. ERALi's got these punches and bunches. ABDUROZIK throws a couple in and then pushes back.
You know, ERALi's moving forward. ABDUROZIK is being warned. I feel that ABDUROZIK almost quit.
He does look worried. You can see that on his face. But I think, you know, as he continues into this ring, he'll find his space. It's just, will it be enough? Uppercuts from ABDUROZIK.
Wow, taunting from
And ERALi taunts him. Tells him to come into the pocket, he says. Come in the pocket, I'll show you something.
ABDUROZIK was telling him, you come to me.
Nice jab there from ABDUROZIK. ERALi just punches and punches again. That's kind of the game plan, it seems, isn't it? Taunts him some more, does ERALi. A lot of great punches coming out of ERALi. A lot of great punches.
ABDUROZIK finally got one shot in, and now he gave him some confidence moving.
Nice. There was a couple of shots there that landed from ABDUROZIK.
Yeah, but you know, ERALi just gassed out. Look, he's breathing hard.
He keeps screaming at ABDUROZIK. Interesting first round, but I definitely have to give it to ERALi. He seems like the more confident fighter in there.
Qadrli kuzatuvchilar, videoga like bosib qo'ying. Birinchi raund dahshatli bo'ldi.
You gotta love that.
Udollar ham yaxshi, mana anchagina yaxshi udollar berdi. ERALi. Videoga like bosib qo'ying do'stlar.
The coaches have told their fighters.
Here's round 2. ABDUROZIK in the black shorts and ERALi in the white shorts. ERALi, same game plan, coming in punches and bunches.
But you know, he gasses out towards the end, so ABDUROZIK needs to kind of wither the storm.
Yeah, I agree with you, Rio. You got to weather that storm and just, you know, find moments where you can just implement your game plan.
And I feel ABDUROZIK is panicking. He should not panic because he's not doing so bad. He should concentrate on straight punches versus, you know, those haymakers that ERALi is doing. The difference is confidence between the two. That's a slip. I don't think that was a knockdown.
I don't think that was a knockdown. It's a slip, yeah.
And
he's telling him, don't trip him.
He said he kicked me to my stomach. He kicked me to the stomach. And he told him, don't kick him to the stomach. The referee's telling him, don't kick him to the stomach.
Yeah.
Was there a kick? I didn't see the kick.
I didn't see it either, but I'd love to see ABDUROZIK just kind of relax a little bit and throw his combinations, because I feel if he does, one of those is going to land and just put ERALi back. ERALi needs kind of something to just hit him so he can just back up a bit.
But ERALi is a boxing machine. He's going forward. Look, he's actually doing some strikes to the body, and ABDUROZIK now is pushing.
You gotta wonder how much gas is left in ERALi's gas tank right now.
I like ABDUROZIK right now. I like ABDUROZIK going straight punches versus hooks and stuff.
He's going to the body more. I see that. He's feeling a lot more comfortable. That's for sure.
You know, in my book, it's one round each.
Qadrli do'stlar, ikkinchi raund o'z nihoyasiga yetdi. Hamyurtimizni qo'llab-quvvatlab padisha qilib turamiz. Olg'a
So that was an
O'zbekiston.
interesting round in the sense that star attraction here, the co-main event between ABDUROZIK in the black and gold shorts and ERALi in the white shorts. And so far, it's really been the story of ERALi dominating this fight with his punches.
ERALi is very confident. He looks like he has more power. He's winding up for his hits, but he gasses out because of those wind-up. And look how he's leaving his jab out there, like making sure that ABDUROZIK doesn't come close to him.
It's really about being comfortable in the ring, isn't it? And you can just see who's more comfortable than the other. ERALi just seems to be really in his zone right now.
Qadrli do'stlar, bunaqa efirlarni chiqatdan topolmaysizlar. Shuning uchun shunaqa yaxshi aktiv kanal uchun podpishka qilib, kanalga obuna bo'lib, layklarni bosib, kommentariyalarni yozib, qo'llab-quvvatlab turinglar do'stlar. Bunaqangi pulli translyatsiyalarni sizlarga bepulga YouTube'da olib beramiz.
Let's see, that's the third hit to the back of the head. And the reach is actually to the advantage of the man in the white, ERALi. But he's gassing out. And what do we have, 16 seconds?
Nice shots there from ERALi as he continues to push. ABDUROZIK took a couple of punches there to the face. He comes back with a couple punches of his own, but I don't think it's going to be enough.
Qadrli do'stlar, 3-chi raund o'z nihoyasiga yetdi. To'g'risi necha raund bo'lishini bilmayman, xabarim yo'q edi. Janglarni ko'ramiz, maza qilib tomosha qilamiz.
Our co-main event here between ERALi and ABDUROZIK. The touch gloves at the center.
You know, so far in my book, it's actually 2 rounds to 1. ERALi's dancing.
I love it. You love to see it.
Ooh, twice. He tagged him. Nice jabs. Actually, this is a good round so far for ABDUROZIK.
I'd like to see ABDUROZIK just relax and just let go a bit. I feel like something can come out of it if he just calms down a bit.
He needs some straight punches. Honestly, in my book so far, ABDUROZIK is winning this round because he's landing his jabs and there's his crosses straight to the face of ERALi. ERALi 1, 2, or 3 rounds.
Yeah, definitely won 3 rounds. In my books, ERALi's winning this fight. So it's go for broke right now for ABDUROZIK. He's really got to pull something deep out of his hat and go for broke.
ABDUROZIK is getting stronger.
Oh, nice shot there from ERALi. He took a nice hook. There's a nice right hook there that kind of turned ABDUROZIK. And there it is. That's the end of that fight.
All right, is everybody having a good time? Ladies and gentlemen, after 4 hard-fought rounds, we declare both of them champions. What a great match, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for ERALi Boy Kopylov and ABDUROZIK for your Social Knockout 3 featured bout of the night.
Tabriklaymiz mana shu bo'y o'tkazganing uchun. Qanaqa deb o'ylaysan? Yutding deb o'ylayapsanmi?
Конечно, men yutdim, chunki men ko'p udar o'tkazdim. Bu hech narsa qila olmadi. Meni oldimda
He thinking he did more punches than his opponent and he think he win the fight.
what?
No, I'm trying to see it from your point of view. Would you do this again if you got offered a rematch?
Yana agar предложение bo'lsa revansh qilasanmi deyapti. Yana urushamiz.
Urushamiz. Revanch.
Yes, we will do revanch.
Keyingi safar uxlataman.
Next time I will knock him out.
Would you
Hamma kelganlarga rahmat kattakon. Thank you, Arabi, thank you, Dubai. I love you, Uzbekistan.
Thank you for everyone to come and support us.
Okay, ABDUROZIK, your opponent thought that he won the fight. What do you think? I heard you say that you're the winner.
He just punching in my back of head and he thinking he win 0. No. I need 6 rounds. They're making 3 rounds. Why? I wanted 6 rounds. Why did it 3 rounds?
So if we do a rematch and you end up having your 6th round, do you think you'll beat him up?
He has to pay me because why I'm doing him famous. He has to pay me after I will do. I don't want to without nothing making him famous. He has to pay me for making him famous because I am bigger than him.
I will fight again in revanch and he wants to say something more.
You don't know how to talk. Your team is teaching you. You have to learn to how your own self-talk.
He thinking his punching went strong and he's dizzy now.
Okay, your champions, ABDUROZIK and ERALi!
Come on, ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's give it up for ERALi Boy Kopylov and ABDUROZIK.
Assalomu alaykum aziz kuzatuvchilar, yana bir bora hamyurtimiz g'alaba qozondi deb o'ylaymiz. Bu yerda
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Didn't even get to cross. I said I'm moving too far. Get to cross. couple of people going mad, I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast, didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We aren't hating because you aren't shining like it's neon, rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy, I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Shooting stars across the galaxy, I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Yeah, shooting. Yeah, shooting. Yeah, shooting. Yeah, shooting shots. Shooting stars. Didn't even get to cross. I said I'm moving too far. Get to grind.